Most people don't know how to use castor oil correctly. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for centuries due to its myriad of health and beauty benefits. However, many people are unaware of how to use this potent oil correctly. Here's a comprehensive guide to harnessing the full potential of castor oil safely and effectively. The benefits of castor oil. Castor oil is renowned for its rich concentration of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that imbues the oil with its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing properties. Here are some of the key benefits. Skin health. Helps treat acne, reduces inflammation, and hydrates the skin. Hair growth. Promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, and conditions the scalp. Digestive health. Acts as a natural laxative. Joint pain. Eases arthritis and muscle pain through topical application. How to use castor oil correctly. 1. Skincare. Moisturizer. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your skin before bed. Due to its thick consistency, it's best used in conjunction with a lighter oil like coconut or jojoba oil to improve spreadability and absorption. Acne treatment. For acne-prone skin, mix castor oil with a few drops of tea tree oil and apply it to the affected areas. The antimicrobial properties help reduce acne-causing bacteria. Wound healing. Apply a thin layer to minor cuts and scrapes to promote faster healing and reduce the risk of infection. 2. Hair care. Scalp treatment. Massage warm castor oil into your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, then wash it out with shampoo. This treatment stimulates hair growth and reduces dandruff. Conditioner. Mix castor oil with your regular conditioner or use it as a deep conditioning treatment. Apply it to damp hair, cover with a shower cap, and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. 3. Eyelashes and eyebrows. To promote the growth of eyelashes and eyebrows, use a clean mascara wand to apply a small amount of castor oil. Be careful to avoid getting the oil in your eyes, as it can cause irritation. 4. Joint and muscle pain relief. For joint and muscle pain, warm the castor oil slightly and massage it into the affected areas. Cover with a cloth and apply a heating pad to enhance absorption and relief. 5. Digestive health. As a natural laxative, take castor oil orally in small doses. The typical dosage for adults is about 1 to 2 tablespoons, but it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider before use, especially for long-term or frequent use, to avoid potential side effects. Precautions and tips. Patch test. Always perform a patch test before using castor oil on your skin to check for allergic reactions. Quality matters. Opt for cold-pressed, pure, and organic castor oil to ensure the highest quality and efficacy. Moderation. Use castor oil in moderation to avoid potential side effects like skin irritation or digestive discomfort. Consult a professional. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, consult your healthcare provider before using castor oil, especially for internal use. Castor oil can be a powerful addition to your health and beauty regimen when used correctly. By understanding the proper applications and precautions, you can fully harness its benefits while minimizing risks. Whether for glowing skin, luscious hair, or relieving aches and pains, castor oil has a place in your natural remedy toolkit. 4.